Yes, yes, but money isn't an object. You see, I'm a millionaire. Hello?
Hello, my name's Kristen from Do My Solar. We're not selling anything. How are you this afternoon?
I'm very well, how are you?
That's good, I'm very well, thank you. I'm just calling in regards to the government rebates on the solar hot water and solar electricity.
Yes?
It can still save you between $3,000 and $6,000.
Yeah?
And that contributes to supply and installation of the unit.
Wonderful.
Did you have any types of solar in your home at all?
No.
You didn't? You're still entitled to both those rebates.
It's more of a mansion.
Sorry?
It's more of a mansion than a home.
Oh, rightio. Would you be interested in a free no obligation quote at all?
Yes, yes, but money isn't an object. You see, I'm a millionaire.
Oh, rightio. Okay, so you wanted me to set you up with an appointment?
Yeah, certainly, sure, why not?
I'll just grab a few of your details. What was your surname, sorry?
Wayne?
Wayne? Was that your first name or surname, sorry?
That's my surname.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and your first name?
Bruce.
Bruce, was it?
Yep.
And did you have a wife or partner there, Bruce?
I have a partner.
Yeah, and her name, sorry?
Robin.
Robin. And your address?
The correct details are that Wayne Manor.
Sorry?
Wayne Manor.
Wayne Manor.
Gotham City.
What was it, sorry?
Wayne Manor.
Yep.
Gotham City.
Dockland City.
Gotham. Gotham.
Gothon.
A.M.
A-N, sorry.
Gotham.
M was it? For Mary or N for Nelly?
M for Mary.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I just got a bad line. And city. And the suburb there?
That's it, Gotham.
Oh, Gotham, sorry. Rightio, and the postcode there, sorry?
Yes, 2300.
Rightio, and your home phone was... No, yes, now.
Yes.
Yeah, and did you have a mobile contact number at all in case we can't get you on your home phone? Your home phone, sorry.
No, that's it.
That's it, fine, rightio. I'll just see there's a time. Just due to fair trading laws that requires both homeowners to be present.
Okay.
Would you be available this coming Monday at all?
Yes.
Yeah, between 12 and 3, is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay, dokes. I'll set you up with an appointment. We'll also give you a call about half an hour before we arrive to make sure things are okay. And we'll send an assessor out then.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, thank you, Bruce.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm the goddamn motherfucking Batman.